Yeah, so we've been running these sessions for 10 years now, which is absolutely amazing. We like to give back to the local community and support universities in our local regions. And what's really pleasing to note is over the years we've actually employed students directly from the mock assessment centres. In fact, I can think of 5 or 6. So yes, it's giving back to the local community, but also the benefit for us is to identify talent and hopefully get people to come and join us at Barclays. So we've iterated the programme over the 10 years. I guess what we're trying to do is deliver what we feel is fit for purpose for students, to give them a close to real life experience of what they might see and feel on a mock assessment centre. So yeah, we tend to review the content, we think about what is relevant and then deliver that in a way which hopefully is engaging for the students. Yeah, I mean, I'm hugely passionate about the university. I've worked with the university for 10 years. I've sat on the International Advisory Board for 7 years, and we're really trying to help students with employability in the local community. I'm hugely proud and impressed with the very diverse students that you have at the university. And if we can do anything to help just one, then I kind of feel that our work is done.
I am Danielle Taylor, also known as Danny, and I am a Method and Culture Change Manager. So I essentially help teams and people find effective ways to work together to improve efficiencies and also connection and collaboration. I was in my final year of studying BSc Psychology with Counselling. Back in 2013, I think it was my final year. And Barclays had sort of made a connection with the university, had done a small pilot of about 15 of us to trial this mock assessment event. And I went just being really curious because I was a little bit unsure about where I wanted to go following my degree. So I just wanted to explore my options really and see what was out there. And lo and behold, Barclays is more than just a bank. Coming back to the university to do this again is it's a little bit overwhelming if I'm honest. So obviously having been on one side of it where I've gone through the experience and now to be able to essentially pay that forward to other students and not only just sort of share my experience and the things that I've learned, not just about my career but also through my studies. I'm just amazed to see how enthused everybody is, how much the event has grown. And we've made some really great connections following as well. So come with an open mind and an open heart. Really it's all about the individual and we're trying to understand where are potential areas that people could use a little bit more development to help them stand out from the crowd as they sort of embark on their next part of their employability journey. And also just don't be afraid to be completely your authentic self and ask questions. The people that seem to thrive the most are the ones that really sort of engage with the process.
Hello, my name is Sherrod Johnson and I'm the local specialist in Greenwich and I work for Barclays. Yes, so these sessions really do benefit Barclays in the way that we're able to identify the talent that's here. A lot of our colleagues, I think it's 6 over the last 10 years, have actually come from this mock assessment. So we really do enjoy being able to see the students' character and also how they work with the case study. Yes, so the local relationships are very important to Barclays because we like to be in the community to be able to find out exactly what they need. Being able to also bring sessions to the community, any sort of life skill sessions is what we look to do by forming the relationship.